Hello, it's Erin from Erin Lee's Beauty, and today is the day of the week where we're going to be going over everything that I've been using this past week and just kind of do a quick review on everything. So if you're into reviews or beauty subscriptions or unboxings, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. I'm going to go ahead and get started with some So Susan products that I've been using this past week. First most is this So Susan Dual Brow Powder. And this powder, it has two different shades in it, and I tried using both shades and really only the dark one seems to work for me. The other one would work good for someone with lighter hair or even reddish hair because it kind of looks reddish to me when put on the skin. But I really did enjoy it, and I actually heard that powder products are better for your eyebrows. Not really sure if that's true or not, but I really did enjoy using it. It was really easy to use, and it seemed to last pretty well for me. And second in here is the Jelly Pong Hydrating Lip Gloss in the shade Intensity. And I only wore this 2 days this week, but I really did like it. The only thing is I felt like it's just like a red gloss. I wanted to put like, it looks better to me with a lipstick underneath of it, but that's just my own personal preference. Okay, next thing I used from So Susan Color Curate bags was this Jelly Pong Cosmetics palette in Biosphere. So I thought this palette was just okay. Some of the colors went on my eyelids a little bit differently than what they were on in the pan, and it seemed to be a little bit lacking in a couple of the pigments, but it was okay. I wouldn't want to say that it was terrible. I would never use it again. It's just okay. Okay, next up is this Triffle Cosmetics Citrus Dream. And I really enjoyed this a lot because it made my hair smell really fresh and clean. So in between washes, or if you're going to go out on a date with someone or go out in general, just spray some of this on your hair. I absolutely love the way that it smells. Last but certainly not least for the color curate is this lip dome by So Susan, and it's a plumping, and it does have a plumping effect a little bit, like I feel like in my lips, but it's not really irritable. So I did like that. I did like that it was this lighter color, so I could put stuff over top of it if I wanted to, or leave it alone. So I did really enjoy this. That was good. Moving on to the fashion stuff that I've been using from the box for the month of July. Here is the Poolside Ibby palette that I've been using. And I also did a get ready with me with this palette. It's an okay palette. The blendability is just okay. I felt like the color story is just, I don't know. I liked it, but then I didn't like it, so it's hard to explain. Am I going to be reaching for this palette? Most likely not. But am I going to throw it away? Probably not either. So there's that. Next up is this Mud Masky Leave On Me Summer Mask. It's SPF 15. And this I actually liked a lot better than another one that I have gotten recently in another box. It was a different SPF and it stunk really bad. But this one actually has smelled pretty good. Didn't really smell like much of anything. So I did like that. Love Light Lips. This is this lip gloss that I got. I did not like the smell of it. I did feel the textures of the glitter in it, which I really didn't like. It wasn't too bad though, so this lip gloss was just okay for me. That's everything I had for the reviews for this week. I do apologize about my son in the background. He's being very vocal this afternoon while eating his lunch. That is everything that I had, and I'm getting ready to post some more videos here in a little bit, so stay tuned for that. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.